Hi everyone, Dr. Timothy Gallagher here today from Maragal Medical. This week we want to make a big announcement. We're welcoming our new nurse practitioner, Molly, to the practice, and you're going to find all about what Molly does, her background, and some of the things that she's observed here at Maragal Medical already. You're not going to want to miss this one, so stay tuned. Okay, Molly, this has been such a great, exciting week. You've started your first week here at Maragal Medical. I know it's been a whirlwind, but what are some of the things that you've observed with Dr. Marciello? I know you've been doing a lot of shadowing this week with him, seeing patients, looking at all the different services that we've been offering patients. From your previous medical background, what are the big differences that you've noticed at our clinic?
So I would say the biggest difference is the time we take with patients. It's really a personal approach to each and every one we see and making sure all of the complaints or ailments are addressed, even if you don't think they're the priority.
Yeah, and that
makes a huge difference.
Yeah, and that's what, and I always tell patients with Dr. Marciello, I'm so lucky that I had met him. He's really compassionate about what he does.
Yeah.
He spends the extra time with the patients to make sure that all of the complaints are checked over, and more importantly, that the patient understands exactly what's happening. So he really puts in that education, and he makes sure that he covers things from top to bottom, and then gives the patient an idea of what's going to transpire next, and going through getting the diagnostic tests, setting up their second day consultation. We call that the day 2, so we can review all of the tests and their treatment plan, and then how we talk amongst each other. You got to witness that firsthand this week. We spent some time this morning before we saw our patients, talking about the newer patients coming into the practice and all of the different treatment options that we have available.
Right, and the pros and cons of each one and how they can benefit while you're coming in here.
Yeah, and I love the fact, and I'm sure you recognize this too, and a little bit different, we're really emphasizing getting to the root cause of the patient's problem and minimal use of medications or recommending surgery.
Right. It's all about quality of life.
Yeah, so if you'd like more information about our practice, and pretty soon you'll start to see Molly in the practice evaluating patients. We got to go through that painful credentialing process. But more information about our practice is always available on the web at maragalmedical.com, where medical care, chiropractic treatment, and physical therapy all work together for better patient care. Remember, folks, we take most insurances. Well, that's it for today. We hope you have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you soon, everyone.